Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
Stay ahead of potential market shifts by reviewing the economic calendar for the days ahead. Key updates range from major, high-impact releases to secondary data that could still affect market trends. Upcoming economic releases are essential to stay ahead in the market. Monitoring them and understanding their implications can help with timely decision-making.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Wall Street's three major indexes lost ground, with the Nasdaq Composite and the S&P 500 leading losses as Meta and Microsoft shares tumbled on worries over surging AI spending, while investors also digested a more hawkish tone from the US Federal Reserve. Bitcoin exchanges experienced no let-up in spot trading volume this month, despite the price dropping nearly 20%. Gathering spot market data from across global exchanges, CryptoQuant reveals that so far in October, the total spot volume tally exceeds $300 billion. The Japanese yen tumbled against the US dollar after the Bank of Japan adopted a less hawkish tone than traders expected, while the greenback was boosted after Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell said a rate cut in December was not guaranteed.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
After a 1.2% dip during the last session, the dollar-yen pair closed 0.8% in the green. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 3.1% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair exploded 1.7% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The oil dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.